Yo guys, it's Ricky and today I'm teaching you 5 breaking moves that every beginner needs to learn. Now these b-boy moves are the beginners and these will give you a good foundation to build upon. So the 5 moves we're going to do are a top rock, a pin drop, a CC, a swipe and a baby freeze. But don't click away if you already know these moves because you'll be able to clean them up, drill these moves and you can change them up while we're drilling them. Yeah, so it's good for anyone to learn. So jump yourself up, make sure you got space. Let's get straight into the first one. So from this point here, the video has been mirrored to make it easier. So if I say right, it's your right. If I say left, it's your left. Yeah. So first move we're getting into is your top rock, which is this one. Now, if you've never learned a top rock, this is a super easy one to get into. So all you're gonna do is right foot is gonna step across in front, and make sure you step onto that foot. I see a lot of beginners doing a heel in the top rock. I'll be honest, it looks terrible. Don't do that. So step across, right foot. All your weight's coming onto that foot. You want to open your hips when you're stepping across. And then you bring it in. And the other side, you're stepping across, left foot, open your hips, make sure weight is on that foot, and bring it in. Then your arms can start anywhere across. You can bring them in here, you can bring them in here. I know some people like to bring them here, anywhere. And then when you come out, bring them out anyway. You can come here, 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 wherever is good, yeah? So you're just in, and you step across and out. So right foot is coming across, arms come out, open them hips, bring it in. Left foot comes across, arms out, open them hips, bring it in. Nice and easy, yeah? There's your top rock, move number 1 done. And make sure you stick along to the end, because we'll drill all these moves with the music to make sure you've got them in time with the beat. It's good having the move, but you've got to make sure you can do it with the music as well, yeah? Okay, the next move we're going to do is a pin drop. So this is the pin drop that we're hitting today. Boom. Now you don't have to come up out of a pin drop. We will go both sides as well. You can stay down as your pin drop, use it as a go down, or you can come up, so I'll teach you both, yeah? So, what you're going to do is hop on left foot, arms are going to cross, right foot is coming up, then that right foot comes in behind your left knee, as your arms are going to come down and catch you. Now you can end there with a pin drop. You could unravel to be in your neutral position ready for your floor work, or you can push off the floor, spin upwards and come out of your pin drop, yeah? So one more on that side, so we hop on left, right foot up, arms cross, bring that right foot in behind left knee, drop down, you can be good there, or you can push off the floor, right shoulder is going towards the back, and spin it up. Then if you want to go the other side, you're going to hop on right foot, left foot comes up, arms cross, left foot comes in behind right knee, hands catch down, and again, you can come out to neutral ready for floor work, or you can push up, left shoulder going back on the spin, to come up out your pin drop, yeah? Boom, there's your pin drop done. So, 2 moves done. Next move, third one, is a CC. So we're going to drop down the floor for this one. Into this position, neutral position in your footwork. You're going to bring right foot in front. Now make sure, don't have them heels down. Don't be one of these beginners hitting them CCs. You want to keep them heels up, feet underneath your butt, knees always over toes, yeah? And then you know you're going to be good. So, feet underneath your butt, knees over your toes, right foot's coming in front. You're going to bring both hands all one to the side, either is good. You're going to bring that bent leg, which is your left leg, up into the air. Keep that knee kind of close to your other knee. You're going to come back down. Now make sure you come back down, bring that foot right underneath your butt, no heels. You switch legs, again, no heels. Hands to the other side, bring that leg up, and back down. Super easy, CC, yeah? So we just switch, up, down, switch, up, down. Boom, there's your CC, nice. 3 moves done. Next, we're onto your swipe. So the 4th move, swipe, is a power move. Now this is a beginner power move. Don't worry if you've not done many power moves or any power moves, you can learn this one in no time, trust me. So, 2-legged swipe is the one we're working on. So we start sitting down, I'm going to bring both feet down, I'm going to bring my right hand down, I'm going to bring my hips up, my left arm is up. From here, make sure you keep these hips as high as you can. A lot of people start their swipe like this and jump over, it looks horrible. Yeah, keep these hips high, I know it's hard, but it looks better. So left hand's coming down, right hand comes up. Now as you bring this right hand down, wait till the last minute to jump. As you bring this down, you're going to jump, twist, land feet down, yeah? So one more. So start in, bring feet in, hand down, hips up nice and high, left arm is up. You bring that left arm across, right arm up. You're going to throw that right hand down, jump, twist, get a nice clean landing, hips high, because then you're ready to go again. Yeah, you're ready to go into another swipe. Nice. Okay, so there's 4 moves done. There's your swipe. 5th move is a baby freeze, yeah? So what we're going to do for this baby freeze, you're going to bring your right knee up. Now do not worry if you struggle with this. Some of these moves will take more than 4 minutes to learn. So you may have to practice after the video. You may have to rewind it back, but you will get these moves, yeah? So left elbow is coming to the outside of your right knee. I'll tilt for this one to make it easier. So left elbow comes to the outside of my right knee. My right elbow comes to the outside of my hip, on the outside of your butt. Now from here, make sure them elbows stick there. So you've got one elbow on your knee, one elbow at your hip, a nice line between them elbows. Your hands come down. It's really important them elbows stay exactly where they are. Because all you're going to do here is you're going to tilt over them elbows, head down, and your feet are up. Yeah, super easy. If you go on the other side, just reverse everything if you're left-handed, yeah? So one more, right knee's up, left elbow comes across to the outside of your right knee, right elbow comes into the outside of your butt, or on your hip, hands come down, you're tilting, head down, feet up, boom. And there's your baby freeze. So, there are all 5 of the moves. So what we're going to do now is we'll do them with music. So we'll go each of the moves slow and fast with music. So we'll do top rock twice slow, 4 fast. We'll go pin drop twice slow, twice fast. We'll do CC twice slow, twice fast. We'll go swipe, 2 slow, 2 fast, and we'll just do 1 baby freeze. You can just hold that baby freeze, yeah? Now, if you are better than a beginner, if you don't think you're a beginner, and you can change up these moves, make variations instead of basic top rocking, you might want to kick top rock. You might want to start hitting some variations. That's totally fine, yeah? So, we're going to go all of them moves with the music, yeah? Let's go. Okay, so let's do all of the moves with the music. And after we've done them all with the music, we'll also drill them all quick just to the music so you can follow along, yeah? Top rock first. 6, 7, 8, in, top, and quick. Nice, good. Now we're onto your pin drop, yeah? So nice and slow first, hopping on left, we up, pin drop down, twist up, and on the other side. Now too quick, let's go. Nice, okay, now we're onto your CC. So down to the floor, right leg out first. CC, down, switch. Keep it nice and high. CC, down, switch, quicker. Let's go. Ah, nice. Okay, now onto your swipe. So that's starting position. 3, 2, 1, swipe. Good. One more. 5, 6, 7, 8, swipe. Good. Now straight into that baby freeze. So hands in correct position on the floor. Tilt and hold. Ah, nice. Okay, good. So there is the 5 moves. Now, we're going to go to it all quick, one after the other. So just follow what I do, yeah? Let's go, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. If you did, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment, jump here to see what we got going on the channel, click here to get straight to your next tutorial. See you in the next one. Peace!